kissed a girl just 'cause you wanted to.
Good morning guys, welcome back, or welcome if you're new here. In today's video I'm just going to be going around and sharing some areas in the house that I think we all forget to clean. I know that I definitely do, so I really hope that there's at least one or two things in today's video that's just going to remind you to go and clean it, because some of them are so obvious but I think we all just overlook things sometimes. So I really hope that you enjoy this one. Do go ahead and subscribe if you haven't already, and also leave today's video a thumbs up, and let's just jump straight into it. Okay, so we're starting off on the stairs today because the skirting boards is actually something I always forget to do, and you can see there's literally clumps of dust, and if I come in closer I'll show you exactly how dirty this area is. Like, it's so bad. So I need to just come in, clean all of this off and just make it nice and fresh. I don't know why I forget to do this, but I'm sure I can't be the only one. So let's get all of this dusted off and cleaned. So I'm just going to go ahead and fill a bowl with hot water and some washing up liquid, and then use a microfiber cloth just to wipe everything down and make it nice and clean.
So you came home late just 'cause you wanted to. Your mom's still awake with her heart in two. She started, where have you been? It's 2:30. Only because you came home when you wanted to. You think you're young and smart, got no responsibility in this world. But if you're young and smart, you should know better. Don't get laid back 'cause you're not that cool. Don't think you're safe and sound walking around breaking rules. I bet your parents are worried sick. That's not as cool as you think, not as cool as you think, yeah. Don't get laid back 'cause you're not that cool. Don't think you're safe and sound walking around breaking rules. I bet your parents are worried sick. That's not as cool as you think, not as cool as you think, yeah. That's not as cool as you think, not as cool as you think, yeah. There's some stains on your photo.
Okay, so I'm now coming into the bathrooms, and I'm actually going to be focusing on these fans in the ceiling because we've lived here for over 2 years now, and not once have I actually cleaned that out. So I'm going to get a bit closer and show you how disgusting it actually is. Okay, just look how gross this is. The only reason I even noticed is because it's actually starting to sort of fall out of it, because there's just huge clumps, and honestly have no idea how to clean this. So I'm just going to go ahead and grab the Hoover and try and do it that way. But yeah, it's absolutely filthy.
Still standing by your side. You know I'll be right here when all the monsters come on. I've got you.
So I hoovered it out the best I could, but I did end up taking the cover off, and look how gross this is. So I'm just going to give this a good clean over, and then I'm also going to just wipe the inside of there with a wet wipe, just so I can chuck it straight away so I don't have to keep all of that dust. But yeah, it's insane how bad these get, so I'm just going to crack on and get it nice and clean.
Have the pieces of you buried in the flashbacks. All these wicked nightmares just gone cold. Now we go way, way back, as far as way back goes. Still standing by your side. You know I'll be right here when all the monsters come. I've got you. Now we go way, way back, as far as way back goes. Still standing by your side. You know I'll be right.
Okay, so the next thing I always forget to clean is the washing machine, so don't judge me, but this is disgusting. And we always just use the pods that go directly in the drums, so we haven't used this drawer in quite a few months now, and it's bad, guys. It's just disgusting. But I'm going to show you anyway, because this is just what happens sometimes. So I need to go in and clear all of that out. I'm also going to be coming in and just giving the door a quick wipe over, as well as in here. We've given like the overall washing machine a clean a few weeks ago, like with an actual wash cycle, so I only need to give it a wipe over in there. But yeah, this is just disgusting. So I need to try and get this drawer out, and I know that it comes out, it's just really difficult. So I'm just going to go ahead and give it a good yank and see what happens.
I wanted to escape for a while. Thought that a couple of drinks could ease my mind.
Okay, so the yanking it just wasn't working for me, so I had to take it all out individually, and look how disgusting this is. I actually didn't realise how bad I'd let it get, so I'm just going to let it soak in some hot water and washing up liquid, just hot soapy water, and then giving it a good scrub over. Then I can go in and do the drawer as well, but this was seriously disgusting, so definitely check yours if you haven't done it in a while.
I saw you, but it feels like yesterday somehow. Time has stopped, nothing's changed, we're the same. And we skip the small talk, 'cause you know me, yeah, you know me like nobody else. Turn around, suddenly you're there standing in the crowd. Everything comes back in the blink of an eye. It's like you're mine, you're still mine. We skip the 'cause you know me better than I know myself. Oh my, it's been a while now since I saw you, but it feels like yesterday somehow. Time has stopped, nothing's changed, we're the same, and we skip the small talk, 'cause you know me, yeah, you know me like nobody else. I lose my breath whenever I see you. You stole my heart, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors.
Okay, so next up is the doors, and that's something I always forget to do. I definitely don't do them as often as I should. They're definitely not an everyday thing or an every week thing. I don't even think I do them every month, so they definitely need doing. I just want to show you a quick close-up so you can see all the dirty fingerprints on them and just the amount of dust that actually builds up. It's just really bad. So I'm going to go around all of the doors, these ones down here, the toilet one there, and then upstairs as well, and just give them a good wipe over. So when I do the doors, I like to go in with fabric softener mixed with water. This works so well to get rid of all of the fingerprints and smudges and marks and everything, but then it also at the same time leaves the whole house smelling amazing. So definitely recommend trying that if you haven't already.
Smile, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon is the snow, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I just want you, I just need you. I don't know what it is you do. I just want you, I just need you. I don't know what it is you do. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire.
I'm thinking back on all those times when I felt closed off from all that I could become.
Okay, the final thing that I want to get done today is the blinds and that windowsill. As you can see, the plant isn't doing very well, and I need to clear off all of those dead leaves and give it a good water and a dust over, because for some reason I always forget to dust the blinds. I don't know why I don't just do it when I dust the rest of the room, but that's something I'm going to try and add in to sort of my everyday or every other day routine, just so they don't get as bad as it is now. Because I can give you a close-up, it's actually pretty filthy. I don't know why I let it get this bad, but I'm just going to go ahead and dust everything off, wipe them all down, and just get it nice and fresh.
being true, but they don't have a clue. 'Cause this is me when I cut out all the shallowness and everything I suppress to fit in a small frame. But I won't play your game anymore.
I really hope that you've enjoyed today's video, and I hope it's reminded you of areas that you need to clean as well, because we always forget the most obvious as well, and I bet there's so many more areas that I've completely forgotten. So I'm sure there's going to be another video like this very soon, so don't forget to subscribe, leave today's video a thumbs up, and I'll see you back here in the next one.